Snappy screen. Being exposed to the sun for long periods of time is a key factor in the development of skin cancer. That's why doctors recommend using special sunscreens. Most people are too lazy to use them all the time, while others simply don't like the feeling of this sticky substance on their bodies. The solution to the problem is the Snappy Screen stations, designed specifically for spraying sunscreen on. On the outside, they resemble a vertical tanning booth. However, instead of irradiation, a person receives a dose of sunscreen. You can choose the level of protection from the sun, as well as the area where the cream will be sprayed. Surprisingly, the procedure takes exactly 20 seconds. Effie. The people who invented this product compare irons and heating water for washing with a bonfire because these technologies are outdated. Now it's time for the tedious ironing to disappear from our lives. Effie is an innovative device that can dry and iron clothes in minutes. You don't need to make any effort or waste your time. All you have to do is hang the garment on the special holder and then press the start button. Effie dries and irons clothes for the hot press. The set includes hangers with adjustable hook length so that you can use Effie on all types of clothes, even for children. At the same time, you can hang up to 12 things on the device. All of them will be ironed one by one. It takes the machine about 3 minutes to process each garment. Effie is paired with a smartphone app that allows you to monitor the device's performance. You can buy this automatic ironing closet for approximately $900. Portable speed bump. At first glance, this speed bump is no different from any others that you can see on the road. However, there is a difference: its portability. What you're looking at is a folding system that can be installed anywhere. When you don't need it, you can fold it and put it away. This invention weighs only 11 kilograms. The modular system allows you to connect 2 or more devices together to block several lanes at once. You can also install reflective poles to help drivers see the speed bump even at night. The device costs $170. The gaff gun. For decades, people had to seal the joints on dance and stage flooring and fasten cables manually. They had to work in an uncomfortable position for a long time, which only made the process longer. Luckily, today there are more and more floor tape applicators like this. Gaff gun was developed by American engineers and does more than just dealing with these tasks. It can also be used to apply signal and warning tapes. The device enormously accelerates this monotonous and tedious work. You can see that when the cables are taped, they're not even lying flat. The funnel guide lays the cables correctly by itself. An adjustable adapter allows you to work with different widths of adhesive tapes, and the price is $219. Platform gate. Trains are one of the safest means of transportation. Serious accidents when people are injured are relatively rare. The situation on the platforms, though, is very different. If the station is full of people, almost every passenger is under risk of being pushed straight onto the railway tracks in front of a train. That's why the authorities are inventing new ways to protect people. This protective fence can be found in the Osaka Prefecture in Japan. It protects people at the Ibaraki railway station. You can see how cleverly it's designed. Since the platform's very long, it wouldn't be very convenient to make a folding fence. Instead, it was decided to make an elastic fence made of fabric. When the train stops near the platform, the gate rises and hangs above the passengers. Thanks to the soft material, it's easily folded so as to not bother even the tallest people. However, when unfolded, the fence has the optimal height to prevent people from overcoming it. Drummy. You can wash your clothes quickly and efficiently without using a modern, expensive washing machine. Drummy is the brainchild of the Canadian company Urego. It allows you to clean things with minimal effort and without wasting electricity. The drum of this washing machine can hold up to 7 items of clothing. It consumes about 9 liters of water too, while conventional washing machines use about 40 liters in one cycle. The machine is powered by a foot pump, which means that the user has to press a special pedal. One cycle of work takes from 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, Drummy manages to wash, rinse, and spin the clothes. The manufacturer suggests using this device on trips or as an alternative to hand washing for delicate garments. The price is $350. X9 Follow. And this invention will definitely appeal to people who like to spend their free time on the golf course. The fact is that the weight of the golf bag can reach 20, if not 30 kilograms. In order to spare people the hassle of having to carry the weight on their own, Stewart Golf has developed the Smart Cart X9 Follow. It can work in 2 modes. In the first one, you push it in front of you while holding the handle. In the second, it activates the Follow Me mode. The cart determines the location of the remote control and follows it. Of course, the user keeps this remote control. The compact size allows you to hang it on your pocket. The owner can also specify the direction for the cart. The speed of the device is adjustable to match the user's walking speed. A remarkable feature of the X9 Follow is its stability, thanks to which it can drive even on uneven surfaces, up or downhill. There is a compartment to store food and drinks too, and the price of the vehicle is about $2,000. Guardian GT. Nowadays, there are already smart exoskeletons that can take the abilities of the human body to a new level. One of them is the Guardian GT, the device that you can see on the screen. It is a development of the American company Sarcos Robotics. The robot is something like the kinematic equivalent of a human being. To control the robot, you don't need to take a special training course, it's very intuitive. All you have to do is put on the glasses and sensors, and then the robotic arms start to repeat the movements of the body with utmost precision and smoothness. The robot can carry up to 450 kilograms of weight, including quite fragile objects. The mechanical hands turn and manipulate things very delicately. The problem with most of these robots is that, while having great power, they aren't very agile. Guardian GT does not have this drawback. The manipulators have a built-in tactile feedback system. Its detectors are so sensitive that the operator can even feel the robotic arms pushing the buttons. In addition, when the robot is lifting weights, the operator feels the load, but on a smaller scale. A maximum load, the user feels as if he or she were holding a 2-kilogram object in their hands. This makes control even more accurate. In the future, these robots will be used in the construction industry or in rescue operations, for example.